Urinary retention. Enlarged prostate. The jolly joy of Foley catheter. Nothing like a warm bag of pee against the side of the knee. It started a few years ago. Lohbado was having trouble peeing. Things got worse. He had a few episodes of his feet swelling up and turning red. The level of PSA was way above acceptable level. Lohbado was referred to a urologist who did MRI and then biopsy. I'm waiting for results. Urinary retention. For 2 days, Lohbado could barely pee. It was agonizing. He went to emergency. They drained nearly 2 liters of pee from his bladder. Now I'm just waiting for the urology appointment. It's been 3 weeks that I've been walking around with a catheter and Foley bag. When the body goes into shock, disorientation, outside forces, it's a mind-bending experience. Of course, what Lohbado went through is minor compared to what other people experienced. I'm telling this purely as a story. Lohbado has arrived at the suite of Piero Pupini, who is an expert in alternative urology. I'm sometimes you need a little bit of the supernatural fantasy to help you when you feel your regular medical doctor is too pressured to listen to all your neurotic rambling. And he works according to the principles of Sonia Pisalova, who wrote a great book about urology back in the Middle Ages. So here I am. I've undressed. I don't want to violate YouTube terms of service. So he's going to examine me and do some miraculous medicine. So Piero Pupini. To summarize the dream. In some infinite journey, not sure where it came from and not sure where he's going, just in a dream. Lohbado awoke and realized it was a dream, and it was the catheter, the Foley catheter. The tube was yanking at his penis and it was stinging. It was like somebody pinching or a dog biting at the tip of his penis, and he got up and realized it was the weight of the Foley bag. The bag was full. The night bag, it's a 2-liter bag. It was maybe 3/4 full. So he got up and emptied it and then went back to sleep. Lohbado went to the Palace of Pee, a spacious toilet cubicle, high-tech, perfect place to empty a Foley bag. It's quite uncomfortable walking around with a Foley bag full of urine strapped to the thigh. It rubs against the knee. It feels better to empty it. And also the straps irritate the skin. The elastic straps that hold the Foley bag against the thigh sometimes dig into the skin. Very uncomfortable. By emptying it often, it reduces the weight of the bag, which reduces the irritation of the elastics holding it in place. It's really difficult to get an appointment with Chief Ramral. He doesn't like his face to be seen. He's afraid that people will pervert what he has to say, or I don't know what he's afraid of. I'll have to ask him when he comes back. Why is